Mistakes have been made, and this is pretty terrifying. So you can see my screen here on my phone. This is my village, my on Stoke Fire, and I've got a score of 295. If we look at the leaderboard, I am near the top. So I'm near the top. I created the game, so I kind of got going, and I know what I'm doing. Let's just say that. But actually, maybe I don't, because you can see this little countdown. Fire burns out in 17 minutes. So I have 17 minutes to stoke my fire, and that's what you have to do every 3 days to keep your village going and growing. The problem is, if I click this stoke fire, you can see it says not enough wood. I am missing, you have to have 3 wood to stoke the fire because, what makes a fire go? Wood. But if you see my resources near the top here, I only have 2 wood left. And I don't know how this happened. I thought I had plenty of wood ready to go. I was going to wait till the last minute because I was just, living on the edge a little bit. And I am missing 1 wood. And so now I'm kind of freaking out. The problem is if you don't stoke your fire, your village basically gets reset. You get set back to 0. You do at least get your rewards, which I have a decent amount of rewards, 0.9 ETH. But then I get reset, which means I'm not going to benefit from the growth of my village doing so well, and I get set back to 0. So that's pretty scary. But I do have one last hope. You can see here that Jerider just made a cast 23 minutes ago, and so that means he's active. And I raided his village, and I tried to steal some wood. And if we look over here at Jerider's village, we can see that he has 1 wood left. So he has 1 wood, and so my guess is that he's not going to be defending that wood. That's what I'm hoping. He's probably defending his food, and that's how it kind of works. You can defend either your food or your wood, and then I can try to raid to steal resources. And so I'm hoping that he's on here since I saw him just post recently. If we look at my account, you can see on my activity that 12 minutes ago, I raided his village and I tried to steal wood. So this is our last chance. We have 15 minutes, and hopefully what he has to do is he has to reveal the results. So he has to reveal if I was correct, if he actually was defending his wood or his food. And I'm very nervous, but at the same time, he needs to reveal this soon. We've got a time limit, Jerider. We've got 15 minutes, or everything is going to 0. Maybe I need to message him or something, but I was hoping not to do that. I was hoping that he would just do this because he's on here, and hopefully he can save my village. Let's see what happens. No way. A couple minutes later, after I just recorded that, I come back, and Jerider has done it. He has revealed, and I have won my 1 wood that I needed just in the nick of time. If we look, I now have 3 wood, and we have 11 minutes left. We have survived. We're going to make it. This is too close. All right, so let's go ahead, stoke the fire, and look, we can. So let's confirm sending the stoke transaction. Oh man, I can't believe this. This is too close. Jerider came through, and I'm probably saying his name wrong. But we have stoked, as you can see, we just got 28 more score, 25 villagers, and we live to see another day. Thank you very much.